Nice to meet everyone. Let's start the Ink TV broadcast. Today's topic is we will make a maintenance kit with you. Often when you go out on the field, you replace that ink cartridge error or end error, there are various print quality problems, etc. When you see a lot of problems, some of you will have a syringe with you. I'll prepare myself and go. I think that most of them come after replacing the machine. If you bring a new machine, replace it, and then leave, I think there are a lot of cases like that. Those things that can be solved really easily in the field are just a maintenance kit. There are so many things that can be fixed on the spot. 940 to make a kit. 94188 you should have one of these waste cartridges. Manage the 80 series. If the print quality is abnormal and does not return no matter how much you clean the head, I'll show you how to do it right on the spot. I went to the site, but the print quality was not normal. No matter how many times I run the head cleaning, it doesn't come back. I'll show you how to deal with that. Magenta does not come out. Normally connect to magenta and press this pump while outputting. If you press this while the output is being made, you go in with a child. The head fills the head with ink. It comes out like this. Can you see it? It comes out just like this. Even if this happens, keep spraying. It doesn't matter because all four colors are in an open state at the same time. Keep pushing. If you push it like this, you put it back in its original position. Please reconnect to the supply. Same with the 8100 and the same with the 8710. After pushing for a while, reconnect the normal supply with the normal ink. If you pull out colored paper on the spot, it will come back the same. Normally, this is how we handle everything on the spot, like this. Like this, the color is out of pressure, caught and returned. So from now on, this maintenance we will walk you through the process of making the kit yourself. Note that there are caveats for each of you to use for your own. It's okay to write it like this, but making this and selling it. Selling this maintenance kit you must never sell. We have this patent in our company. The most important thing is this 940. I need a 941 waste cartridge. Be sure to prepare one of these. If you cut the cork with a knife, it will open like this. No need for a lid. Use tweezers to spread both sides apart like this. If you do this, he will fall out. It comes out like this. Stick a needle and stick it in. Take out all the paint inside. Cut under this with a nipper. Cut. Cut the plastic bag with this knife. So, if you put it like this, there's one hole here. There's one small hole. See, do you see this hole you see? Use a hand drill to drill a hole in the hole. There is a liquid in the tooth, and the liquid can enter this way, but there's a check to make sure you can't come out. The check is not semi-permanent. Because we will make this device, just destroy the check inside and destroy it. We're only going to use this pump. We're going to break it down and put a check valve on it. How do you break him? If you turn it deeply, the check function is released. I'm cutting too hard here. When you do this, the tube moves upwards with the ink passing through. It is a length. So be careful and remove the plastic. This L shape is too long. Because it is long, I cut it about 5 millimeters from here to here. Insert the L-tube here.
여기다 박아 넣으시고요.
Cut the L-tube 5 millimeters at the end.
잘라내고 얘를 여기다가
Here's an example. And here's what it looks like.
꽂아줍니다. 이렇게. 보이시죠?
Now, if you cut it here, it will deform if the hose is scorched too much in the fire like this.
호수를 불에 너무 심하게 찢으면 변형 옵니다.
Just heat it up a little.
열만 가하세요.
Go to the boss 100,000. 100,000, and we will fix it like this.
이렇게 고정을 해줍니다.
Here's the corner where R starts. Cut the lower part at the end of the corner part.
끝에 하단부에다가 잘라줍니다.
Don't always try to drill a hole from above from here. Put it in first, take it out, pull it out, and do it like this.
당기면서 이렇게 하시면 됩니다.
Leave 12 centimeters and do this. Cut it out. Here it is. Hold it here with a nipper.
여기 니퍼로요. 여기 딱 잡으시고
Fit the cable like this. It will open like this. For if this happens, take a look. There's a check valve inside. Press it and it comes out. It's already out. Do you understand? When you press it, the volume in this pump is expelled. When the pump returns to its original state here in the bin, you get to work through the check valve hose. Look at this. What is this? Now look. Where is the one you made? There are times when we are weak with this bump force. Or the real nozzle is severely clogged. There may come a time when you have to break through. In that case, you can see here, I'm attaching the kid to the syringe. Look. What he can't do with the power of this pump. He can press like this. If I press like this, I'll have to pierce the nozzle by applying pressure and cleaning the nozzle a bit. You can press it like this. What do you think it would be like without this? Let me show you what happens without this. Sleep. Mulberry, lid flies away. In order to take this pressure, you must have this sculpture. I'll have to punch this head hard. In that case, you have to have him. If you hold it like this, it's not like putting it in and taking it out. Once you put it in, it slides back. Can you see me going out like this? You need a structure that holds the cover. Like this. If you have done this and this, the shutoff valve, then one is female and the other is male. And at this end, connect the L tube, and this is the end of the work. This is all made up. I'll fill it up with a burr of cleaning solution. Bring the CS2. Let's see if it works. If you close it like this, please make the lock cap this easy. I forgot to make the airline the way I go in the opposite direction now. Even if you carry it or turn it over, the liquid will collect. I can't even come out, come on, because the check is on. It's fine now. Look, it's right. It's working fine. See it now. Let's put a syringe on it. Look, it keeps coming out. I pushed the syringe once. You keep coming after watching today's live broadcast. In that comment, because we'll keep the video open in the comments. Please leave a review for today's broadcast.
주시고,
If you do, we will draw a lottery from those who have left. You must be a business owner. General consumers not applicable to general consumers. Only those who are doing the comments are identified. I drew them from among them, picked them up, took them, and made this today. I'll send it to you by shipping. That's it for today. Thank you.